Dear viewers, this is part 2 of my video on NRE, NRO and FCNR accounts. In part 1, I have discussed about FEMA law and everything you need to know about NRE accounts. In this episode, I am going to talk to you about the NRO accounts. If you have not watched the part 1 of this series, I am providing a link here. Please make sure that you check out on that and get to know everything that you need to know about NRE account. This is NRI Money Clinic for you, and I am Dr. Chandrakant Bhatt, investment consultant and a financial planner.
NRI Money Clinic. No hype, just the right advice.
So let us look at NRO accounts for now. Now NRO accounts are just like your saving bank's account for a resident individual. They exactly resemble like that, but with certain restrictions on that. The day you have gone out of India and you are classified as an NRI under FEMA law, you need to convert your SB account into an NRO account. The moment you mention it to the bank will redesignate your accounts as NRO accounts. Now, who can open an NRO account if you don't have one? Any NRI or any PIO, person of Indian origin, can open an NRO account either as single person or as a joint account. You can also have an NRO account with any other resident individual. In case if it is a joint account with a resident individual, then it will be designated as former or survivor basis account, which means the ownership of account rests with you. So like your NRE accounts, NRO accounts are also rupee denominated account. That's the only currency which you can have under NRO account. You can have 4 different types of NRO accounts. It could be a savings bank NRO account. It could be a current account in NRO category. It could be an RD account in NRO category, or it could be an NRO fixed deposits. The tenure of NRO fixed deposits varies from that of the NRE FDs. In case of NRE FDs, the tenure was minimum was 1 year and maximum was 10 years. Whereas in case of NRO accounts, the tenure of fixed deposit could be as low as 7 days to as high as 10 years. What about the taxability of NRO account, the interest that you earn on the NRO accounts or the NRO fixed deposits? Unlike NRE accounts, the interest that you earn on all your NRO accounts is taxable in India. In the episode 1, I had told about taxation in NRE accounts which are tax free, whereas in case of NRO, it is taxable. If you are earning some interest from NRO accounts, there will be a TDS of 31.2% on the interest that you earn from your NRO accounts. Now let us look at how this account can be transacted. What are the permitted credits into this account and what are the permitted debits into this account? Now, any money can be remitted into NRO account. You can send your earnings from abroad into your NRO account if you wish to do so. You can put money from India. For example, if you have some rent coming, or your dividends are coming, or somebody owed you certain amount of money, or you have sale proceeds of any of your properties or shares or anything like that, that can be remitted into NRO account. All your local transactions back home in India can be remitted into NRO accounts. So you can remit money from outside of India. You can also remit money from inside India into this account. For this purpose, it looks like any other normal savings bank account of a resident individual. Now let us look at what are the permissible debits from your NRO account. You can use your NRO accounts to pay for any of your expenses in India, any kind of expenses that arise in India, or you need to remit money to somebody else, you can use the proceeds in the NRO account for that particular purpose. It cannot be repatriated outside of India. You cannot remit money from NRO to somebody outside of India. There are certain exceptions to this rule. Let me explain to you a little bit in detail. Now let's say that you have got some income in India, which is current income. It is not the accumulated assets over a certain period of time. For this year, you have got certain income. It could be dividends, it could be rentals, or it could be NRO interest, or any of these income. That amount of money can be transmitted or can be transferred to your NRE accounts. But that requires certain paperwork. You need to get your chartered accountant certificate. You need to fill up a few forms. Then only that your local income of that particular year can be transferred to NRE account. Otherwise, no other money can get into the NRE account. Now you are an NRI and PIO. There is a special provision for you to repatriate money on a yearly basis. You can transfer up to $1 million per financial year, subjected to the conditions laid down in FEMA law. Now, how to transfer this money from NRO accounts or how to repatriate this amount, what are the conditions, what are the procedures, probably I'll do one more video on this sometime in future. For the time being, you can remember that if you are an NRI, you can transfer $1 million abroad per financial year from your NRO accounts. That's the restrictions that is there on NRO accounts. There is one another thing that you need to know about your NRO accounts. The day you come back to India and cease to be an NRI as per the FEMA law, you have to inform your bank and the NRO accounts have to be redesignated as resident savings bank accounts. This you should keep it in mind. So till now, we have understood everything that we need to know about NRE accounts and NRO accounts. That leaves us with a third account, which is the FCNR accounts. What is FCNR accounts and everything that you need to know about FCNR account, I will talk to you on part 3 of this series. Dear viewers, if you like the topic that I discussed today, give me a thumbs up. If you are watching this program for the first time or if you are yet to subscribe for this channel, please press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to share this video with all the friends and relatives. Thank you very much for watching this episode on NRI Money Clinic. I will be back with you with part 3 of this episode very soon.
Press the bell icon for more details and subscribe our channel.